So if you're given 620 millimeters of mercury, how do you convert that to atmospheres? So here's how you do it. First off, you need to know that 1 atmosphere, that's equal to 760 millimeters of mercury. That's a conversion factor. And you either memorize that or you could look it up. So we use this conversion factor to convert 620 millimeters of mercury to atmospheres. So we're going to multiply this by our conversion factor, and we want these millimeters of mercury to cancel out. So we're going to put the 760 on the bottom here. That way they'll cancel out. Then we want to end up with atmospheres, so we'll put 1 atmosphere on the top. That's our conversion factor. When we multiply, these cancel out. So essentially we're just dividing 620 by 760. We end up with 0.8157. So let's call it 0.816. And the units, atmospheres, because everything else canceled out. That's how you know you did it correctly. This is Dr. B converting 620 millimeters of mercury to atmospheres. The answer, 0.816 atmospheres. Thanks for watching.